Okay, so tell me about your Iron 1200. What do you like about it?
Well, I've got some things that I don't like about it first. It's real chunky, really cagey in first gear. I mean, you really have to have your wits about you or it's just going to lurch off on you. It's like a bronc. It's
Okay.
not a smooth baby in first gear. However, when you get it up out of first into second, it's very responsive. Um, I really like the feel of it. It's like riding a Bureau of Land Management bronc once you get it broke. But that first, boy, you better have your wits about you. Up on the top end in fifth gear, it's a bit of a bone clacker up there. It's a lot of fun. You need to be really aware of what you're doing because there's a lot of shake. There's a lot of vibration up in that high end.
Right.
But aside from that, that's what it was designed. It's a Sportster. It's not a cruiser.
Well, I've noticed you've added a lot of upgrades to it. What have you done to your bike that makes it different from any other Sportster?
Well, we took the little bobber seat off of it, and we've got more of a long distance saddle on it. We've got these saddlebags, so a girl can put her purse down in the saddlebags. We bought this little piece of luggage for added luggage, which is really helpful. This is better for my purse anyway. We'll put the windshield on. We've got the little black grill, not grill.
The little luggage rack?
Luggage rack on the back.
Okay, I noticed it's got some crash bars on the front too. Did it come like that?
No, and there's footrest up here as well. So we've got it about tricked out as much as I would like it tricked out. I don't plan on having a passenger ever. I'm just not strong enough.
Okay. Well, I really like it.
I do too.
Do you think you need an upgrade, or is this going to be okay for you in the future?
No, I'm seriously going to have to consider something bigger in order to keep up with your Harley. Also, I need cruise control, and I need more movement in between the gears, so it's more pleasant to be down in those lower gears.
Right. Okay.
But if you want something to shoot and rocket around town on, this is the bike for you. One last thing. If you're a lady and you want to ride a Harley, I would strongly recommend the 1200. Don't start out in anything smaller than that because you're immediately going to want to go to a bigger bike. This is a real good bike for building confidence, and it's low to the ground, and if you're a short lady like me, you really can plant both feet. So this really is, sorry gents, this really is a very good starter bike for a woman.
Okay, well, thanks for sharing a little bit about your bike. I appreciate it.